now I'm going to cover something fairly advanced. We're going to look at the so what chord and how it can be used as a minor chord, a major chord, and even a dominant chord. So, C minor, all right, F seventh, all right, there you see, is it like an A flat, so what chord, right, A flat, A flat, right, but as a dominant chord, we've got the sharp 9, the flat 13, the flat 9, the sharp 11, and the 7th. So we're missing the 3rd. We could add it in there maybe. Put it in there or something, or down here perhaps. All right, and you see it sounds pretty good just as a so what chord, as a dominant chord. And then just go down a half a step and you've got B flat, 6, 9 right down there. There's your B flat chord up there. There's the 6 and the 9. So that's a 2-5-1. Could we use this for improvising? We sure could. So I'll just use part of it like that. All right. All right. So starting C minor. What am I thinking here? Well, I could think like the F altered scale, but could I think about is that a, yeah, I could use like A flat Dorian. That's A flat Dorian, same as the G flat major scale. So maybe just think about that note right there, play a major scale. So, all right, sounds pretty cool to me. All right, that was for D. All right, same principle. So you want to think about it and take whatever dominant chord you're on, move it up by a minor 3rd, play the so what chord, and you've got a chord with all kinds of altered tensions. The sharp 9, flat 13, flat 9, sharp 11, and the 7th.